on. This is part 2 of the other video that I will be posting. But we're going back. Director, turn on the thing. Get your music. You can turn it off now. Now what are these? Can someone please tell me if these are trolls or not? I'll turn off. Comments will probably be able on this video because this is not made for kids. Do not try this at home, or basically anywhere for that matter. This will be at least 2 minutes. Come on. Come on. Come on, dog. You better come. Yeah. So, I may have aged a little. Still the same person. I may have sounded out of breath before, but now I'm really out of breath. Oh, a mysterious pole. Shattered it. Okay. Okay. We're back. Sorry.
Can someone clean my sweatshirt? Can I know where it is? Come on. Anyways, I'm up.
Okay.
We're changing
Finishing follow-up video. Bye, Go Squad.